जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. So much of respect, as and how he respects his father Dasaratha Maharaju with the same amount of respect and affection. Rama is slowly touching Jatayu with his hands. How is Jatayu now? Nikrutta Paksham, his wings are broke. Rudhira Vasiktam, he is completely in the blood. Such Jatayu, whenever Rama is seeing Jatayu, Rama's grief is coming out like anything. And while crying, Rama is now asking, Ho Jatayu, Vimuchya Vacham Nipapata Bhumau. While crying, Rama is also mentioning that Jatayu, can you please tell me where is Sita? And immediately Rama again saying to Lakshmana that Lakshmana, it is looking like Jatayu is still alive. He is not dead yet. And again he is looking at Jatayu and saying that, Ho Jatayu, edi seknoshi vakyam vyaharitum punaha. If you are enough capable of speaking now, if you have that much strength to speak out, can you please tell me, how did it happen? How did Ravana killed you? How did Ravana abducted Sita? Can you please tell me the details if you can? Like that, Rama trying to ask Jatayu. Sri Ramachandra Swami is asking Jatayu, Ho Jatayu, when Ravana was abducting my Sita, how did she look? Did you see my Sita's face? Ho Jatayu, why did Ravana abducted my Sita? Aparadhantuyam drishtva Ravanena hruta priyam. What mistake and what wrong thing that have I done to Ravana? Why did he abducted my Sita? Ho Jatayu, did you get to see her when he is abducting? Did Sita talk to you? When Ravana is abducting Sita, Sitaya kanicha vuktani, did my Sita said anything to you? Ho Jatayu, please let me know about that Rakshasa. What kind of strength that Rakshasa has? And how does he looks? Ho Jatayu, please let me know all the details about that Rakshasa. What does he do? Kvachasya bhavanam, where does he live? Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami asking several questions to Jatayu. Then, in that severe pain situation, Jatayu, when he is looking at Rama, Rama is continuously crying without even a break. At that time, after seeing Rama's condition, Jatayu slowly started talking to Rama, saying that, Oh Rama, that Ravana broke my wings, and Ravana has taken Sita and travelled Prayato Dakshinam Disam, travelled this south side. Oh Rama, now my entire body is paining. I am about to die. My vision is gone now. And I can see everything, all the trees as golden trees. That means it is an indication that my death is very close to me. Rama, Ravana, when he has taken Sita, that muhurtam, that time is not a favorable time to Ravana. So that means whatever is abducted, stolen by Ravana, definitely that will come back. That means you will get Sita back. Rama, that muhurtam is Vindo Nama Muhurtoyam. That muhurtam name is Vinda. In that muhurtam, whoever steals anything, the proprietor will get their property back. So that means you will get Sita back for sure. You do not cry. Ravana does not know about that time. And definitely soon Ravana is going to be completely destroyed. Ho Rama, Kshipram Hatva Tam Rakshasam Rane. Soon you are going to kill Ravana in the war and you will get Sita back. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.